I think the key here is the conversation around a dedicated FEA solver software versus, I'll say, a casual tool. And a casual tool, and I mean nothing negative against that, but casual tools and casual users, like CAD-Embedded, for example, those tools have a role in an initial, say, first order guess, let's say, first order simulation. And the first order simulation might be linear, it could be nonlinear. But one of the things that a dedicated FEA solver that like Ansys Mechanical does so much better is it takes advantage of the parallel processing, takes advantage of the latest and greatest, say, convergence algorithms for contact, right? And so what I think a lot of people do is a lot of people say get comfortable in a casual tool, a CAD embedded tool, and what they're doing is limiting themselves in assuming that it's difficult to do nonlinear, or it's difficult to do vibrations, or it's difficult to do complex things, or there's no way this could possibly go faster, or I have to wait for this mesh, this single core process to mesh. Reality is a tool like Ansys Mechanical, the FEA dedicated tools, those are constantly being innovated on to take advantage of hardware accelerations, latest, as I mentioned, GPU, and they are accelerating design engineers, if I can use that category, to simulate more nonlinear, problems and situations a lot faster. So that, to me, it's really about a tool that allows you to take advantage of hardware capabilities. The other thing, too, is particularly with contact, right? I know a lot of people, we've taught so many people, hundreds of engineers in linear and nonlinear methods in FEA, and a lot of people, they are intimidated by contact, okay, intimidated by nonlinear. And I think one of the challenges there is a good FEA tool needs to have the necessary capabilities to allow you to troubleshoot, right? I mean, most of the time we're building out physics models, we're spending our time troubleshooting. And so I want to have a software tool that allows me to visualize my contact areas, to reverse engineer the model, to help me find out what a potential source of error might be. And Ansys Mechanical has, several different ways to help you do that. So in a way, it does make you a better analyst, and being a better analyst makes you a better designer.